morning, everyone. It is Mitchell, aka the Walker in Orlando, and today is travel day. We are heading up to Disney's Hilton Head at Hilton Head Island in South Carolina. Right now, it is 6:45 in the morning, very early. But we got up a little bit early because we are going to be making the 5-hour plus drive up to Hilton Head. And what's pretty cool is that what we're going to be doing is that so my parents are going in the car and me and Kayla are going in the car, but they're leaving a little earlier than we are. Blakely's really upset because there's a bird. But we are going to be spending 5 days up in Hilton Head. So we're going to be driving up today. We're there today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we come back Thursday. So it'll be really fun. Hilton Head is one of those things that we kind of found on a whim, and it was a really cool time, and we just haven't been back in a decent amount of time, so we finally found a time to go up to Hilton Head. So this is gonna be really fun, really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it, plus all of the adventures of traveling up there. So make sure you guys do stick around for our adventures today. Well, parents' car is packed up. We even got a cooler because of we're gonna bring some stuff, but I don't think we've got quite a lot. Dad was gonna bring a lot of stuff, but I think we're just, and then our car much emptier, but we have a lot of our dog stuff because we're taking the dogs to their babysitter for the few days. And also, I could not find this mount, but I had a GoPro suction cup mount that I had forever. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to make do. I've got the little tripod. I'm gonna have taping it down, plus have the charger on it, so it's always charging the entire time while we're going, to give you a time lapse of our travels. We are going to be heading to drop off the dogs with their babysitter for the few days. My parents are going to start the drive. We're just going to probably drive separately. Last time we tried to stay as close together as possible, which is funny. The last time we went, we took my car and my mom's car. This time we're taking Kayla's car and my dad's car. So kind of funny that we're changing it up. But also both of these cars have more room in them, so it makes it easier on it. So just all the next thing to do, make the next 5-hour drive. It's like 4.5, but we're putting in probably gonna be 5.5 because we're gonna stop at Buc-ees, probably stop at Whataburger. If we don't stop at Whataburger this time, we're gonna stop on the way back, and then probably stop at all the state line markers and stuff, just to say we did. So, but like I said, heading on out, gonna be a long drive. Well, only an hour and a half later to Buc-ees, and did not realize that coming to Buc-ees in Daytona would be super busy, but it is also bike week here in Daytona, so it doesn't help. We just love Buc-ees, all the different shirts and everything. So they always do shirts based on the season. Right now they have St. Patrick Day ones, but then they just have basic ones where you have Buc-ees Daytona Beach, all the Buc-ees. You can get a stuffed Bucky, you can get dog stuff. I don't think I've ever seen a Buc-ees that busy. It was chaos. I mean, it's like Disney Springs on Christmas Day busy. That's what I felt like, which was insane. Like 20 minutes to just turn into the place. Yeah. Yeah, coming in, if you saw the time lapse, coming in was a nightmare. So yeah, and it also tells you when you don't eat and you come to Buc-ees, it's dangerous, because I ended up just spending $25 on food. All right, so now we're back in the car. And I think we're gonna we were thinking about stopping in Jacksonville for Whataburger. We may stop for Kayla because she only got something very small. But we'll see where we go from there. But pretty much still about 3.5 hours away from Hilton Head. Took about an hour and a half just to get from Orlando out to Daytona, so especially with traffic. Well, second stop. This one was for a bathroom and gas break. We needed to get gas at some point. That's where we're at. We're actually maybe like, because they're right down the way, we're actually from right where the Florida Citrus Center is. So essentially like the Florida rest area. We're right down there, so right from there. And actually we're only about 4 miles away from a Whataburger. Not hungry, because I still have Buc-ees left over, because I got all my food kind of now while I was thinking about it. So yeah, second stop. We're almost right to the Georgia border. We're still about a couple hundred miles away. So still got a ways to go. So as of right now, where we are at, we are still 156 miles away. If we were to go straight through, it'd take us 2 hours and 26 minutes, and we get there about 3:16, which works out for us because then, at least then, our room should be ready, because we are, like I said, staying at a 2-bedroom villa at Hilton Head. Talk about living in a touristy area in Orlando. This is the gimmicky of road trip tourist stuff. Georgia Peach World. It's like halfway through Georgia, about 40 miles outside of Savannah. About an hour and a half from Hilton Head, so.
Georgia Peach World.
Yeah. But we just went into Georgia Peach World and walked around, and they had like everything peach related. I mean, Kayla went on her way and got peach jam. They have peach salsa, they have spicy peach like syrups, they have so many things. Like and they have peach wine, peach ice cream, peach slushies, peach lemonade, peach tea, peach this, peach that. My gosh. They have fudge, which I think is funny out of all of it. Like and then what's pretty cool is they actually put in the bag, they put a business card, and they actually ship all around the world. And so like you see, they got a little business card right here. And if you order in March, when the peaches start growing in April, they can be delivered all around the country by June. So you can actually have fresh peaches grown in Georgia. So pretty cool. Right now we're kind of waiting on my mom and my mom, my dad, and sister, because they're about 5 miles away. So we're kind of meeting up with them. It'll be the first time since we left Orlando we'll have seen them. And it's 2 in the afternoon, and we saw them last about 8:30 in the morning. And the last stop before getting to Hilton Head, to Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, Aldi, because we need food stuff. And it's a good spot. Aldi's really nice and cheap actually, so it works out really well. After, what did we leave at 8:30 this morning? 8.5 hours of driving. We're finally here, so gotta go in and check in, but some weird changes have happened actually, so I'll show you those. Yeah, you can see they got rid of the doghouse, but you still got Mickey with his sign.
Oh, and Frontierland music. Oh no, this is Small World.
But it's Frontierland style music. But then we gotta come into the Live Oak Lodge, aka the check-in, which is on a 2nd level. But there is an elevator. If you come in underneath, there is an elevator right there that takes you right on up. So if you need the elevator, that's where that's at. And then I think we're in the den. But what used to be right here used to be a vacation club picture frame thing that used to take pictures, and it's like free. And then they have the pool table, all the fishing stuff, because it's supposed to be like all about fishing. They do have pool cues, anything else, and all the balls are already still here. Well, we're finally in our room.
So I'm gonna bring your purse to the...
So this is a 2-bedroom villa here at Disney's Hilton Head. Very different from the one we had, because the last one we had a balcony go all the way across. But here's the bathroom. Thought I'd do a quick room tour before everyone gets here. Here's the main bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. The main bedroom, which is nice because it has the walkout section right onto the balcony, which again, like I said, this balcony is a lot different than the one we had on the last one because it's a lot smaller. Then you have the kitchen space, which these both turn into beds. Oh, look at the Mickey shape. Mickey plates. Pretty much full-size kitchen, actually. TV, anything else. So this is the outside patio area, which is a really cool view, actually. And then the second room, which has 2 queen-size beds. But like I said, the last time we had it, there was actually another door here that would take us out onto a balcony. It was a full extended balcony. And then you got a closet, this weird space that I couldn't figure out the last time we were here, and then the bathroom for this room, which is funny because we have a little window to the outside. And then a little... So, nice. Oh, completely forgot the view here. Oh, they have the tables are back. That was not here the last time we were here. But you got to the point right there. Whoa. So we're inside the Mercantile, which is like the gift shop. And I always love the little gift shops here because they always have little things you can take. So like if you need condiments, breakfast things, little other things. So now these are going to be a lot really expensive. They do have milk to sale, juices, soda. Which is funny, they have the Coke product, but they don't have the park Cokes. Beer, alcohol, some ice cream, everything else. But I love all the decorations and everything with it. And they do have 2 pin boards here, so those are really cool. Look at all the Hilton Head stuff. So you got this jacket, which is a Vacation Club one, but it's Disney's Hilton Head on the side. You got the cups, which we actually have this one. Don't know where it is. Some hats, nice. Collared. They have this like nice cool jacket. Wow, that's $125. And then Kayla said she's trying to get this one, Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. And then Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. It says welcome home with a chair on the back. And gone fishing, because it's kind of themed around fishing. Nice. Nice. Really cool stuff. Plus, if you need some board games, they got board games, they got South Streets, and then they've got Alu, I think is his name, the little turtle. Alu, yeah. It's really cool. And then sunglasses if you need it, face mask. I completely forgot about the today happenings. So this is like a list of everything that will be going on here at Hilton Head with tide times as well. I think they updated that in the morning. Also, last time we were here, they did not have these chairs and stuff out. It was like empty. You can only eat around the edge because of all the COVID. Like there's so many things that are back up and going again that were not here when we were here last time because they were still under heavy COVID calls. And especially where we'll definitely be doing the slides for sure. But here's the Big Dipper pool. And it's actually heated as well. What's pretty nice, they also have the big hot tub over there as well. So this is, and then they got the Little Dipper pool right here. We will be doing a full resort tour again. Like kind of one of those mornings I'll wake up kind of early, just do a full hardcore walk around resort tour, show you guys kind of an updated tour of everything now because everything I could not explore the last time I was here. And now that it's open again, I can. So we're definitely doing that for sure. So one of the things also you can do is if you go into the Mercantile, the gift shop, you can actually go and rent DVDs. And I really have been wanting to finish up the Spider-Man series. So I rented Spider-Man Far From Home, which is the second one. And there's No Way Home, which is the third one that's before Doctor Strange. And I've been saying I wanted to watch this. The thing about purchasing on Amazon, and I was like, wait, let's see if they have it, and they do, so we're gonna get a chance to watch that. They do a 2-day rental, so like because today's the 5th, I have to turn it in by the 7th. More than likely I'll probably watch tonight and then turn it in tomorrow, so, and then see if they got it, but they don't have the third one though, unfortunately. Also, here, they discount some of the merchandise. You never see Disney merchandise ever discounted. Ooh. Hit the camera against the wall. But they never discount any merchandise here. Here, they never do that anywhere else. So that's insanely cool. And they do discounts on top of it. So kind of a nice deal if you want to get some cheap merch. There is a reason I love this resort. It is it's 7 p.m. right now. And it is quiet. It's relaxing. There's no loud noises like yes when you're by the pool, but the pool's not packed with people. Like this is probably just this resort. I mean, I love this. Kayla said if I loved this resort, I would probably like Vero Beach as well. So something I am going to tell you is that so Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. I feel like I should have a counter somewhere. How many times have I said that? Is one of the nicest and most relaxing resorts Disney has. I mean, this is not the theme park, so you don't have all the glitz and glam that is theme parks, but it is still super nice. Plus, what is super nice, there's not very many rooms. I just looked it up. So, they only have 123 rooms. Now, this is a DVC resort. So that means people can buy into this resort. You can use points to stay here. That's exactly what we're doing right now. It's my mom and dad who are DVC members. We use points for us to stay here this go around. And so it's really super nice. But there are actually 4 types of rooms you can actually have here that you can choose from. There are the deluxe studios. Now, there are only, I think, 10 of those rooms, and those are at the main lobby area, so you're the farthest away from the Mercantile area. So we'll go more of that over the tour. You have a 1-bedroom villa, which can sleep up to 5 people, I think was the number. Then you have the 2-bedroom villa, which can sleep up to 8 or 9. And then you have the 3-bedroom, like, suite, which is multiple stories and everything else. And I'm hoping I can find pictures of that because I saw it once. And I think there's only 2 of them here on the property, so kind of cool. But I think, even though it is only 7 o'clock, I think once I get back and eat, I think we're gonna call it an evening. We have a lot more things planned coming up, a lot of things we'll be doing for sure. So so I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it an evening. So with all that being said, after a very long, treacherous drive up here to Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, well, you guys had a good time. We had a great time today, just enjoyed it getting here. So with all that being said, to head out for the evening. We'll see y'all tomorrow with another day at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort.